Yes, I will. I will right now.
And if you want to go non-gasolina, Triumph even have an electric bike.
Really? I don't know if I want. So, yeah. So sad.
Another hat.
After 3.5 years.
Very nice shop. And right on the corner. Island location. Look at the wonderful colors. This orange is really, really nice. $1,200 Scrambler. Another one in green. It's a big machine though. And look, you got the owner picking up his new bike. 6 cylinders. Triumph motorcycles. And they have some really, really nice clothes as well. Beautiful gloves. I like the one with the English flag.
So, I got the product. So, yeah, I know, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna say, yes. Yes, it is. Even if I can do some things for you.
No, it's good.
So, yeah.
This is really funny. Look at this one, the bobbler with a chrome
Oh.
petrol tank.